Okay, here we go, unboxing time. This time we're doing the Arms Reach Co-Sleeper. This is the ideal Ezee 3-in-1. It's a bedside sleeper, freestanding bassinet, and a play yard. So let's see how this turns out. So, okay, let's try it out. Okay, here we go. So I got the co-sleeper, everything's out. It's all in one. Let's see how it is. According to the box, it says that there's no tools needed, so seeing is believing. Okay. So, a nice package here. It actually looks pretty nice. Everything seems intact. So, let's figure it out. Okay, so if you first have to use an arms reach, it actually comes with attachments to make the height higher. So these are the extra legs, and then since it's also a bassinet and playpen, there's one side with wheels, so that's pretty cool. So I'm not going to set it up as bassinet. Let's make it the front of it. Okay, remove product from the carry bag. Okay, undo the Velcro straps of the mattress B. Set mattress aside. Alright. Let's see how this kid goes. So this is the bottom. So there you go. So open it up. For the first time Dad's there, this is the mattress. Don't lose it. Put that aside first. And then, okay, this is what you do. Lock all top rails in place by pulling on the corners of each rail. They should be rigid and they must all be locked. Okay. So, let's do this. Sorry. Okay. Then push down at the center in the hole. So
You lock the sides first. Straight.
tough. Push down, lock. Okay, so far so good. Now install the wheel and leg just in case if you want to add more height to it. But yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it looks like so far. So it's actually pretty cool. Got everything here. So, I think we should add some height to it. Okay, so guys, if you are going to use it for the bed, side of the bed, remember to, of course, take the height of your bed. Is because it also does come with a lock that you strap to your bed, just in case. So we'll add the height because we kind of know the height of our bed, and this is pretty low. So like I said,
don't worry.
If it's still too low for your bed, you can actually buy these legs. allthingsbaby.com.ph. Also Rustan's Baby Company, Parenting Emporium, and yeah, they got everything there. So this is important if you're just gonna want to add height. So it's actually pretty easy to add height to the bed. So you just flip it over. So, and everything is actually pretty just plug and play. So wait till you hear a click there. And then of course you pick a side which you want where the tires are. So make it the other side. So everything's pretty quick. There you go. So you added some height, and of course the wheels. So there. It's actually a pretty good height right now. But like I said earlier, if you guys need extra height, you can go to the website and Rustan's Baby Company. They have the extras. Okay. Now, of course, you have to install the mattress, and if you're going to install the mattress, there is no support. But earlier, you heard me drop things. It's the support bars. So here we go. This way to add support. So it's easy. So here we go. What I'm talking about. There. So, connect, and connect, and of course you can, oops, like that, sorry, there, okay. And then there, other side, here, and basically you connect them, okay? Connected. And this side. And connect. And okay. Of course, so you connected everything. Now you have to put the mattress. Now the mattress was actually the one that was wrapping arm's reach. Simple. There you go. And of course, this is the co-sleeper mode. Now, the reason why it's a co-sleeper mode is because the bar here is lowered. But if you want to make it a playpen, you can actually raise this up. But like I said, we're going to do the co-sleeper mode. This is what comes in the package. Like I said, you have to latch arm's reach to the bed, so that it doesn't move around. And there's no chance that there's going to be a gap between the co-sleeper and the bed. So, the package that came earlier with, this is a cover, and here we have the lock system. Now, lock system is actually pretty simple. I'll just show you how to use it. it's just simple here. Is that you attach these ends, obviously here, and then you slip it through. Actually, you slip it here and then attach. They have it on both ends, so there you go. And then you actually have to put the plate first. So the plate is on the opposite end of the bed. Don't worry, it's actually a pretty long plate. So you put this on the opposite end of the bed, then you run this under your bed. So once you run it under your bed, you have enough slack here. For even our bed is a queen size bed, so yeah, you got a lot of slack to latch it on. So there you go. That is the co-sleeper mode. But don't worry, this is really simple to add. And when it's already attached to the bed, you just really tug on the sides to secure the baby. Of course, the arms reach. And like I said, yes, it does come with a sheet. So don't forget, it's important. Add the sheet. Even guys, we can't mess this up. I think. Unless I rip it. Okay. Nice perfect fit. And once it's fitted, there you go. You got yourself an arm's reach co-sleeper. Beautiful. No tools needed. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, ask at the bottom and I'll try to answer them. Okay, here we go. Unboxing time. This time we're doing the arm's reach co-sleeper. This is the ideal Ezee 3-in-1. It's a bedside sleeper, freestanding bassinet, and a play yard. So let's see how this turns out. So, okay, let's try it out. Okay, here we go. So I got the co-sleeper, everything's out. It's all in one. See how it is. According to the box, it says that there's no tools needed, so seeing is believing. Okay. So, a nice package here. It actually looks pretty nice. Everything seems intact. So, let's figure it out. Okay. So, if you're first time to use an arm's reach, it actually comes with attachments to make the